Good morning, dear students. I, Jagjit Kaur Master, Higher Secondary Khanna Shargal. Today my topic is on the declamation of Gandhian philosophy. First of all, you should know what is Gandhian philosophy. It is the religious and social ideas adopted and developed by Mahatma Gandhi during his period when he was in South Africa and then, of course, in India. Dear students, you know Mahatma Gandhi was the father of nation. He did a lot of hard work to get India free from the British rule. So today we will discuss about his philosophy, religious and social philosophy. The teachings of Mahatma Gandhi are famous worldwide and revolve around the concept of ahimsa, satyagraha, and self-reliance. Like all idealists, he believed in Almighty God, the ultimate reality and supreme ruler. According to him, God is changeless, that holds all together, that creates, dissolves, and recreates. गॉड ही क्रिएट करता है, डिज़ॉल्व भी करता है और रिक्रिएट भी करता है. अहिंसा, पीस एंड नॉन एग्रेशन आर द हॉलमार्क्स ऑफ Gandhian doctrine. He says that we must have tolerance, understanding, peace and goodwill so that soul can fulfill its ultimate destiny. गांधी जी ने कहा था कि हमें आपस में टॉलरेंस होनी चाहिए, अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए, पीस होनी चाहिए, शांति होनी चाहिए, पीस इन द वर्ल्ड, सो दैट हमारी आत्मा जो है इसको शांति मिले और हमारी आत्मा जो है विद द स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट हमारे अच्छे अच्छे काम जो है वो किए जाएं. और काम कैसे किए जाए? अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ, पीस के साथ, शांति के साथ और टॉलरेंस के साथ. नेक्स्ट, Gandhian philosophy is not only essential for the rebirth of the Indian nation but also re-education of the human race. Human race should get education so that they can understand the world in a right way. In fact, he laid the foundation of mathematical and scientific knowledge. They measured both time and space. The virtues of self-discipline, self-restraint, and self-development are the mainstay of Indian Dharma, and Gandhiji culture are fully relevant today as they were many years ago. जो महात्मा गांधी ने उस टाइम पे कहा that we should have self development, we should have self restraint, self discipline, and these things are the need of this time, which he said long period ago. In India, we are highly religious society, wholly secular in character. Gandhi ji was deeply religious person, but he was clear in mind that the state should be secular. It means that state should not interfere in the matters of religions or anything extra. He said that state should be secular. He also said that state had to honor all religions equally. State should not give importance to any one religion. It should give importance to all the religions. People representing a variety of cultures, languages and creeds have to be woven into one nation. महात्मा गांधी ने यही कहा कि जो डिफरेंट कल्चर्स के लोग हैं, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस हैं, इंडिया में सब कुछ है, बट दे शुड बी वोवन इनटू वन नेशन. one people free of communal or religious divides. That was the policy of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you, dear.